We're at Walmart and I was looking for my stuff and I found my kids. But I'm kind of sad because I can't find my slime anywhere. I think it's sold out. We went running through the aisles. It's not here, but it's okay. I think I have some at home. What's popping, y'all? I am here with Squishy Bunny, aka my man. If you guys don't know, this is my fiance. Obviously, like, everybody should know by now.
Yeah, I feel like everyone knows.
Squishy Bunny has been in other videos where we do like blind tests or just
challenges.
It's always with slime.
Yeah.
And the last one, it was literally like a blindfold one too.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It was fun. So fun. And today we're blindfolded again. Also, Squishy Bunny and I are getting married so soon. It's around the corner. So freaking crazy.
Exciting.
But today,
slime.
Today we are doing a fun little game. I feel like we do a lot of these like blindfold things.
We do a lot of challenges together.
Today, Mr. Squishy Bunny and I are gonna do a blindfold mystery test challenge.
It sounds about right. Yeah.
Okay, we have my mystery slime packs that you can find at Walmart, by the way. The mystery slime packs are exclusive to Walmart. The mystery ones you could only find at Walmart. With the mystery ones, there's a mix of the ones that are already out, and then there's a mix of new ones, brand new mystery slimes, which I'm so excited about. And we're gonna do a little challenge to see if we could guess the texture, smell it, and try to guess exactly what the slimes are. Obviously, I know what's in my slime packs. Squishy Bunny knows what's in my slime packs. I mean, he goes to all the meetings and everything. Well, he should know. Okay. But the test here is we're actually gonna be blindfolded and we're gonna take everything out and just mix everything. And let's see how good our senses are.
So it's a mix of the new ones with the original ones?
There's a mix of some of the original and new ones. Mystery ones, actually. So I'm excited. Let's get straight to it. Let's just take them all out. Don't even look at them. I'm just looking away. I mean, I know what's in these, but also if we mix them up, it's gonna make it harder.
I feel like I can see like in the corner of my eye though.
You're good. It's gonna mix them up. Where are our blindfolds at? Also, if you haven't, follow Mr. Squishy Bunny at Squishy Bunny on Instagram.
Yes.
It's really hard not to look.
It's hot on this thing. You just feel like the heat, you know what I mean?
I hate blindfolds so much because they always take my makeup off.
Well, if you take like a half step to your right. Yeah.
I also forgot to mention something huge. Oh my gosh.
What?
So at the end of this video, the loser, so we're gonna guess the slimes right, and if we get it correct, we win a point.
Okay.
The loser is getting slimed. Welcome to Don't Guess the Wrong Slime. Because that's literally what I want to title this. Don't Guess the Wrong Slime. Well, I hope you've been paying attention at all the meetings, honey, because you're going down. Just kidding. I got one.
I got one too.
Okay, so we got our slimes. So on the count of 3, we're going to open up, play with it a little bit, smell it, and try to guess what it is.
And in 30 seconds.
Yes, we have 30 seconds.
I can get it in 10 seconds, watch.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, what?
Oh, this is the metallic slime.
Okay.
I know.
No, he cheated.
No, it's the only one that has a texture like this. I'm gonna know instantly. What do you mean? I'm gonna know instantly.
It's like the only type of slime like that. That's
it's
why.
The only texture like this.
This one is. Oh my god.
You're joking.
No, I don't smell it.
I know what that is. Are you serious? Oh my god, there's slime in my hair roll. There's slime in my freaking hair.
No, how did it get your hair?
Oh my god, what the heck am I doing?
This one is. Sorry.
Time's up.
No.
How did I not guess that one? I already know what it is.
Which one is
I am
it?
so disappointed. Are you
What?
serious?
Oh, the butter one.
Well, it's a gold glitter.
The
Smells
gold-
like butterscotch.
There we go. Yes.
Oh, we're taking our blindfolds off?
I take. Whoa.
Okay, yeah, let's take it
If
off.
you can.
Are my eyebrows still on? Are
Yes.
they intact?
They're intact.
They look good.
I guessed mine right away because it's the only jiggly slime.
I've actually been getting sick lately.
I'm not that good at my, what is it called? Sense of smell.
Sense
Yeah.
of smell.
I also was really confident that it was another one.
Which one? I knew it.
When you have your eyes
You know
closed,
what? When I touched it, I was like marshmallow right away, but
it doesn't feel anything like marshmallow at all. Now that I took my blindfold off, like now I smell the butterscotch. Something about being blindfolded, it's like the whole senses work together. Is my phone ringing? You know what's funny? The metallic one's actually like every adult's favorite slime. As a slimer, you like all the other like stretchy ones and the
like
different
the newer
texture, you
gen
know?
ones, huh?
Like
you
this
know why?
is different for a slimer, but it's funny because it's actually a favorite just because it's so like, well, you know?
I love the thick ones.
All right. 1,
My slime.
2, 3. Grab a slime. Grab a slime. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I know which one. Orange soda.
Oh my god, stop.
Orange
Oh my god, wait. I know what this is. I know what this is. It's
No.
Sour Patch Gummies. And you know what gave it away? The slushy beads.
Oh,
And I knew it smelled like sour candy. I just couldn't.
this one like right instantly like orange soda.
Oh my god! Wait. That's not orange soda.
Yes, it is.
It is orange soda.
It's
Is
orange
it?
soda.
I'm gonna feel really dumb if I'm not.
Save. Karina, I got it. I beat you this time. This is orange soda. I said
No,
it
we
first.
both have a point.
I said it first. Didn't
You
I?
have to guess it under 30 seconds, and we both guessed. We're both
Oh,
good.
okay. So we both guessed. Oh, I see what
Yeah.
you mean. So you're cheating.
If you can't guess it in 30 seconds, it's not my fault.
You know what's funny? This is
You
my
got it
favorite
right.
slime, and I got it. Go.
Well, so far I'm winning.
Team Squish gonna come back.
3, 2, 1, choose. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, this one
Oh
is.
shoot! Wait, hold on. This is one of my favorite ones. I know it is.
Okay, which one's this one? This one's. Oh my god, it's definitely a mystery one.
This is black. No,
This one is. Which one?
this is a blue glitter. It's blue glitter, and it's
Blue
my
gl-
favorite.
Oh my god.
Freaking! It's just a blue
4,
glitter, and that I know what that is too.
3,
Bro, how do you
Oh
not
my
know
god.
2,
Grape soda.
1. No!
Is this a joke?
Oh my god.
Bro! Oh my god! You know what's crazy, guys?
But I knew
when I
it.
had my blindfold on,
It's a berry one. I was
I
like,
smelled Blackberry Blast Off, and I was almost gonna say, did I say that this was Blackberry Blast Off? I like said it
Almost.
for. This is black. No, I almost said Blackberry Blast Off for this one because I felt like I smelled it in the room. The glitter ones, if anything, like these
They
are
smell
so
amazing.
strongly scented.
Oh
I'm
my
so
God.
surprised that you didn't. Did you at least recognize the scent?
I did like right away. They have a berry scent, but it's
Oh, they're so
it's
good.
different.
You guys, you know what's crazy? I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you do, which you should, I always play with really big batches of my slime. And here's one. Let me show you.
Yeah.
These are the ones that I've been playing
Oh,
with
those are amazing.
because the ones that we have in stores are collectibles, and that's why they're the smaller containers,
Yeah.
and they come in a pack of 4, by the way.
Dude.
I wanted the big batches, so I have
They're the
every
best.
single slime that I have in stores. I have it in this size. Something about big batches I'm obsessed with. So.
So I guess I'm winning so far.
It's 3 to 1. Mix them up, mix them up. And choose. Got it. 3, 2. Raul, you got keep it closed until I say 1.
Oh,
Cheater.
Yeah, cheater.
1.
sorry. Oh, I got it.
No.
Fire and ice.
No.
Ice,
No, wait.
ice.
Wait, I know.
I knew it because it has the charms.
I know for sure it's a mystery one. I know which one it is. I know exactly.
Sweet like honey?
Oh my god, I know what this is.
I know what it is too.
It has a weird name. What is the name? I know I could be. It's pink. It smells like
You gotta
candy.
get the name, Karina.
Oh my gosh.
3, 2.
I don't know the name. I forgot.
1. Oh,
I won.
I knew it! Oh my god. You can take your blindfold off.
Oh,
You know what? You know what throws you off? Like the scents already throw you off, and then the textures, like it's like a whole mix. So
yeah,
then it
it's
really throws
different,
you
yeah.
off.
Anyway, easy
Choose
one.
in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Mystery cherry.
No, that's
Yep.
cheating.
Cherry.
Oh, I know which one this one is. I know exactly.
It's a
which one.
mystery cherry taffy. That's what it is.
This one's a mystery one too.
Mystery cherry taffy.
This is the mystery one, and
Can I
it's
smell it?
the orange citrus. It's orange citrus. Yeah, because this one has little like tangerine
What did you call
slices.
it?
Citrus orange or orange citrus?
Dang, yeah. I'm still winning by 1. And we're thinking, and we know what you're thinking, there's 2 slimes left. You know, when it's more than that, you can mix them around. But we're looking at them, we know what they are. Even if they're mystery. What we're gonna do is, on 3, 2, 1, whoever says the name first gets the point. But like, whoever's the fastest to guess it.
Okay.
If we tie, you get to slimy, and we're both getting slimed if we tie.
Okay.
So, if I get the
then.
point, you're getting slimed.
We're gonna try it again.
And if you get the point, we're both getting slimed because you're getting slimed regardless.
So regardless of this outcome, I'm still gonna.
Yeah, because I've been winning.
So what's the point?
Well, the point is, you want to make me suffer with you, or like,
okay.
you know?
All right.
Yeah, we're about to make a commitment to stay together through sickness,
And through slime.
through health, and slime. Ooh. This one's actually one of my favorite ones, like the whole
This
pack.
one's really good.
It smells so good.
Let's try it for a little bit here.
Look out for that one.
Look at that gloss.
Ooh, orange citrus. Look at these guys. It has the little slice charms, the little fruit
Dude, I
charms.
love his little charms. Tell me where you get them, Craft City.
Why don't you just ask me?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. I don't know.
I really don't want to lose.
I really want to slime you though. I've actually never slimed you. I've actually never been slimed.
I've been covered in slime
I just thought about
so
it.
many times.
Should I move?
I'm getting tired of being covered in slime. I freaking hate it.
Okay.
I'm so scared, buddy
Mix
boy.
them up, mix them up. And 3, 2, 1, drop. 3,
Don't open it
Two.
too soon.
1.
Banana!
Wait, how are you so fast?
Because I smelt it, bruh.
Bruh.
Oh, bunny boy.
Oh no.
I'm sorry.
Oh look, cute little
Oh my
pineapples.
god, I love that one.
Same.
I love that one. Honestly, I'm glad that these are last because these two are like one of my favorite ones. The banana one is also a taffy basically. It's very similar to the cherry one.
It looks like the banana shell. What do you call it? The banana peel.
Banana shell.
The banana peel.
Everybody go comment on Squishy Buddy's Instagram that he needs to make a slime called banana shell.
No.
I love banana slimes. I love when like the butter slimes like they separate.
Oh, when it rises to the top?
Yeah, and then the bottom goes to the bottom, so it's like clear, and then the clay goes up. It looks so pretty.
You press it, like you see all this clear gloss.
All right, it's that time, Squishy.
No.
I am so excited. We're gonna go outside. I wish I could slime you in here, but I mean, I don't want to pick all this up.
I'm actually kind of excited because I've never been slimed, so let's do it.
You've never been slimed?
Never been slimed.
Oh, honey. So we're gonna go slime Squishy Bunny.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Can't get slime on the Yeezys.
I was gonna say it's time to squish the bunny. It's time to slime the bunny. And this slime is so jiggly and so cold.
It's even colder than the actual,
Bro,
like...
you're gonna like freeze with this.
I am.
I'm so sorry.
Why am I so scared?
I am so sorry. Oh my god. Wait, what the heck? What the heck?
Yes! Yes!
Did you want to get slimed? Did you want to get slimed?
Take 2.
What?
Oh.
It's a helmet. Ah! It's freezing!
It looks like a wig. Oh my god.
It's so heavy. Oh my god.
It looks like a wig. Oh my god, Squishy.
Hey.
What the heck? It's not even sticky.
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
Oh.
Ooh, careful, you want to breathe.
Oh my god. Wait, are you kidding me right now? You got lucky, mister. I think you
Little
have
did
to
we
take a
know,
shower.
Squishy Bunny covered himself in baby oil.
He knew what he was doing.
Pro tips.
You have to take a shower though, because there's little bits of slime in your head.
It feels like gel.
We wanted to make it jiggly so that it could stick and that could be messy. And instead of sticking, it just completely.
Yes.
It's like in your hair a little bit. You do have to take a shower. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Why is this so freaking
I
windy?
got some on my eyelash.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god, your head feels disgusting. I'm sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, Team Karina or Team Bunny.
Squish.
Team Squishy Bunny, whatever the heck you want to call him. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.